Welcome to CAD Institute. In this tutorial, we will design a wine glass in SolidWorks. Let's get started. Start by creating a new part and begin a sketch on the front plane. Use the line tool and three-point arc to draw a shape similar to mine. Now, let's add dimensions. The vertical line is 40 mm long. This horizontal line is 3.5 mm. The radius of the first arc is 40 mm, and it should be tangent to the vertical line. Maintain a 4.5 mm gap between these two elements. The larger arc has a 50 mm radius, while the smaller arc has a 30 mm radius. Next, hold the Shift key and set this length to 60 mm. Define the distance from the bottom line to this point as 112 mm. Similarly, set the distance from this point to the sideline as 80 mm. Once the sketch is complete, go to the Features tab and use Revolve Boss/Base around the center line to create the glass shape. Next, create a new sketch on the front plane. Select these two edges and choose Convert Entities. Select the outer edge and apply an offset of 0.75 mm. Extend this line to meet these edges. Draw a center line and trim the extra lines. Now, use Revolve Cut around the center line to create the hollow interior. To refine the design, apply fillets. Select this edge and set a 30 mm radius fillet. Apply a 0.2 mm fillet to these two edges. Finally, add a 2 mm fillet to this edge. Our wine glass design is now complete. To enhance the appearance, apply a glass material or adjust the color. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.